want to ask you a simple question. How many potential buyers have you lost because nobody replied to their message on time? Maybe they visited your website, maybe they sent a message on your WhatsApp, but before your team could respond, they had already moved on to another consultant. And that's the reality of the visa industry today. The consultant who responds first often win the client. Now imagine if every inquiry received an instant response, whether it's 9 in the morning or 11 at the night. An AI assistant handles it instantly, engage the prospect, answer their question, and keeps the conversation going until your team takes over. Sounds interesting? Yes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an AI-powered visa assistant that works 24/7, helps you capture more lead, and provide instant support on WhatsApp without writing a single line of code. See, I'll show you how the AI assistant works in real time. Right now, I am on WhatsApp and my number is already connected to the Visa Consultant AI assistant. This means I can ask any visa-related questions and the AI assistant will respond instantly. Let's test it. I'll send a message as what are the most common reasons visa applications get rejected? Within a second, the assistant provides me a detailed response. And as soon as I send the next message, immediately it replies to me like this. And not only these, this assistant is going to be answer each and every questions that were coming from your clients professionally and accurately. So whether they message you during office hours, late at night, or even on weekends, the AI assistant is always available to answer questions and keep the conversation going. And the best part, you can train the AI assistant by using your own business knowledge base. Just watch this video till the end and you will understand each and everything clearly. But before we proceed, let's take a quick look at the tool behind this AI assistant called Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow allows you to create an AI-powered assistant, automate conversations, and provide instant support to your customers without writing a single line of code. So whether you want to deploy your AI assistant on WhatsApp or the website, Pabbly Chatflow makes the entire setup simple and easy to manage. If you would like the tool and want to automate your business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. And not only an AI assistant, you can create a chatbot even to WhatsApp broadcasting by using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and purchase it. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this AI assistant. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option and here you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go inside this Pabbly Chatflow and you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. Trust me, each and every feature are so powerful. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature. See, this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this button. After that, give your AI assistant a descriptive name. I give us Visa Consultants can answer queries 24/7. I have given this name by my choice. You can give it completely based on the AI assistant you are creating. Next, I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button, and see, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting it as an AI agent. You can select any instructions according to your choice, and as soon as I can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have entered the temperature as 0.5. You can increase or decrease it from here. Next one is the model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, I am selecting the AI model variant as GPT-4o mini. Here I am selecting this. You can select anyone according to your choice. Now the next one is API key. For generating this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, this is my OpenAI platform, and for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button. See, I got my API key, so I'm copying it from here and pasting it in this field. I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward is the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message in this field. I am not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, you have entered any word in this field, and the user will send the exact word while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your user for the better conversation. After that, the knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now, what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As in this tutorial, we are going to design an AI assistant specially for visa consultants. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. I have created this as a complete example. You can make the changes in it. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a file in the text or the PDF format. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload a file from your gallery. See, here I have selected and clicking on this upload files button. After that, I am selecting the file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. Moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering a heading as Global Visa Expert. And as soon as I change the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, the subheading I am entering as online now to help with visas, documentation and immigration guidance. I want to make this AI assistant related to visa consultancy. That's why I have entered the subheading is this. After that, I am adding one more initial message as planning to travel, study, work or move abroad. Ask me about visas, documents, processing and eligibility. I am removing the first initial message from here and I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can also disable it from here if you want to. I have added a footer text as privacy policy, footer link and the user first message as well. As again and again I am saying that I have created this by my choice. You can customize the content based on your own agency. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you have to enable this toggle and click on the Save AI Assistant button. So that's it. This is how easily you can create an AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for getting this AI assistant on your website, you need to click on this embed option. It will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code and paste it inside your website code. And this AI assistant is going to be appear on your website too. So not only just WhatsApp, you can also set your AI assistant on your website as well. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, for assigning a AI assistant to your contacts, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. When you scroll down, you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle, select the contact list from here on whom you want to set the AI assistant and select the AI assistant from this drop down. After that, click on the save button. See, inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you need to go towards this contacts feature and add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, solves most common queries and give instant support 24/7 even when you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant by training it based on your own business knowledge base. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.